With so much drama in the CYP, it's kinda hard finding out the trajectory of projectile motion. Working on destructive projectiles like arrow from a blowgun. May I teach a little something for the classroom? About to serve you some knowledge you may consume. It's 7 in the morning and the projectile going cause it just got thrown. Now the projectile, if you don't know, is an object that gravity tries to slow down to the ground, but it is affected by three things in town. Initial velocity is the main one, launch angle is the range one, gravity is the last one. With all three, these are enough to make your brain numb, but just know it is a combo though, so just know this. It's a mix of horizontal and vertical motion, cause we are rolling down the street, bullets flying by with projectile motion. Laid back with my mind on my motion and my motion on my mind. Rolling down the street, bullets flying by with projectile motion. Laid back with my mind on my bullets and my bullets on my mind. Now that I taught you this, I'ma give you 3 examples and a few good tips. Let's say Wile E. Coyote runs off a cliff, chasing the road runner on another hunger trip. At first he runs off the horizontal velocity. I don't know what that means, but when he lays down, it will be an atrocity. There is constant horizontal velocity. By saying this, I hope that ended the curiosity. See, the gravity doesn't act horizontally. To find the range, it's V sub unit xt. So what does this mean? If you weren't for gravity, things would go straight until they unseen. But thanks for gravity, it will hit the ground. Gravity is what keeps things falling down. But around the town, I see arrows and bullets hit the ground from projectile motion. Wow. It's crazy. Things don't go straight because the projectile motion has too many parts to operate. Objects do not elevate because gravity takes them down. Straight gravity came to dominate. There's other parts I gotta tell you about. Vertical motion trajectory to rumble you out. Ooh, about to come in from the wrath of the projectile motion. But for now, I'ma keep coasting while I'm rolling down the street. Bullets flying by. Later on that day, I came to teach you about some motion and trajectory. And I must say, vertical motion is dependent every day. The formulas are long if you didn't know. I'll have them somewhere in the nice video. But if you didn't know, downward velocity goes faster until it stopped. But you should know, a last thing to mention, trajectory. It's a path of projectile. Remember this for jeopardy. A parabola is the trajectile of a projectile. Oops, I meant trajectory. Come next to me so you can learn. Please